me say eba regional executives ni dia ese se wo bia wo mo kwoto aba yi ni bia they should make sure say wo ye Bawumia nipa.
Hey nana
pacho sabre ya ye kai honorable Kennedy Agyapong wo gina flag bearer ni bia na cha efri hie wo gina bia na.
Hey nana ene da hono nkrofo kan yo says a bottom up approach ni na no a scheme to favor a contestant na a machination bia e be favor one of the contenders. Oh entisa no kwa na bema party ni unity abemu adwo
because yenye yi flag bearer ni wi a e form de no ye ni Bawumia ene yenyi wei ene yenyi asomasi ene yenyi asomasi moboa se moboa
entina nei ayiwa free ye de na epio. What about others so a wo the same campaign at me ni na mo ayente
enti se me wo Kennedy Agyapong fa me na mo say ya wadu twuma fa me na me wo
engineer Kwabena Agyapong
me na me wo Dr. Brian Champo afa. You expect me just say eba regional no a enam say na me wona French regional no am ntia me
nana one can ye kra
me nya sure say mo 2028 ni mo pe power na Bawumia edu ba bia ono aso me bremu no omo a wodi wo mo call Akono 2024
awa mo ma wonsa si fo mo wi poto yi
amo na atwa ho ahia
alaji
emu akromfo emu omo a wo mo
pese min kuminya
je ahantan kasefi ye wo ha na meka na wo ha se papa abonye nsema wo keketia ada as
bebia okeka kono enyo
okeka mawo be wise tiano Sammy pacha wan kasama me
nana okaza asem ni wiye ena okọ kepkus ekoka se abronye enu wanya enyo ono abronye na ne picture wo ballot paper no so enti se abroye ye obibia enfa mesa no
nana abronye na didi atem no.
I was so disappointed in that statement.
Oh, did you mahwanya?
Nana, I was so disappointed in that statement. Oh, is say obe pankro for chona even on behalf of Abonya Krana wa mo assurance bi say menene beka say no agai no rather no oh ti wo fi
wo eti say power ba wonya Bawumia nipa wo mo maw
wo mu nimu
sabre na Bawumia ye eyi no wo ye vice president no nipa bi wo wa Bawumia na appointee wo mu ehihye ba bi sabre na wo na we we are appointing who said the panwa. We say utri nya sorry no. Now we.
Nana.
And now so abeto omoto. Eti power ne ba e omo nko a. San krofo no a.
Nana.
Gas no a.
They shouldn't forget to say abana wo mkoto ye flag bearer no. Obi a ogina bibia nya vote. That means nipa no was shares.
Ena owo chitafu.
And na me kan ba yi a.
Our resources be a one famara. What be done they say regional ne de esese enya de utwa ne mogya akora. Na minim say blood groups no. Ye wo ayi Bawumia de wo mu a.
Bawumia positive.
Bawumia de
positive.
Na mu de mo ntwen e kina. Aha.
Nana
Bawumia am so so den.
Oh that be na ya betre.
Ah, there be o. Dia wo call ya enkrofo konwa wo mani kranchi ko hwie wo niam agu ye. Wo mo a.
Chazu wo mu gidie.
Wo mu didi atem no. Wo mu didi wo mu party enkrofo ni nyina atem. Wo mu kan wo mu kama. Wa me kasa wo ko kepko so aso de sabro nya nu wo bibia ne no.
Cause ayo no na ne picture that ballot paper
no. And yes supporters ni so wo to abama wo no. Enyo on picture ne da de ni so. To bia bi wa tran fie. Na wo cast wo be to aba no. Di fiabueche ba e be kan se mi se Most sorry, ye kept a coming can have
my
son of Bampa, so make come and waffle me.
Ajibre.
Miraka was all my year me.
Oh, me,
about 1 month for my young trouble.
Yeah, do me, the normal year rough and smooth.
Robert smooth wrong. I'm cream is up already. And no, Nessa Tiffy. Doctor, are you a free? Now, may bo actually.
Yo.
About constituency elections now. And found a baby will become a Kujina no support to you, but your bonfires and 60 to 70% of them. You bet me. I retain on because who could you to me when this before, especially with Ashantia. You need experienced hands. Oh, and a constituency, no, the whole be at India. How dear, so we share more who are dean as a chairman for especially to me, and my be bread donut name na yetimama omoba omenima. And Ebema Nijaba because about more of the executives, if they are retained, will be good for us actually. Maybe 60-70%. It's not bad at all. And especially the chairman. Yes, they are very solid people. And I think if most of them are retained, will be good. But then when it goes to Echo regional dia, a person will make sure that Obi Obamubia, Obia, Sebi, which one Moja, hey, Dr. Bawumia, and in the national political party, will be seen in a constituency there. I mean, any problem will be at Mishim na but for region and national there. Who did the agro by you? Tiano dear. When you drew a Besha said Dr. Bawumia will control absolutely on the party. Yeah.
Sir?
Nana, one woman guinea. No, almost so almost got 2 abano. Near 2 years, ye Fabra, ye ni Bawumia nipa, and ye knew one nipa, and ye one
anti bottom up approach, you know. Oh, there you will feel you have a moto.
Aye,
they are not person of the
I don't know, but what am I
oh, yeah. Nana, oh, yeah. Hey,
Mahamadu Bawumia. Who's that? Some guy shock you.
Nice like him, because Nana. So big na baby, I can say. Regina, no, and in a kuta, amantam, no. Executive Sabaya, better no, executive be on better Bamani Biano. What will you say? The Chen Moja Bawumia. And to read one, Kennedy Agyapong in Japan. Executive, any power no, I want to pray no. Kennedy Ofori Atta. Brand Ofori Atta.
Idea be a woman, and a mobile or mutu. Who are woman who said who support the other candidate be an we MP or my being so bad foot here.
Sada no munya. Of all the seats I want to lose no munya. To a many better among now, and another 15.
Otchere be ya sad ye hu aduma.
Hey, I want the menu.
Keke Zapon e kan Dr. Keke Zapon was it football no muni ba yes ya kramo
one Kennedy akompre Kwaku Agyapong Asia ama enema Kyei na mejidi se NPP no nya wokase bia we na mahana NPP ubehunu sa ensem no ehu esusaye no kreni nano abaye 2024 na bato no anko yama NPP 4 so ono amu no so results onyaye no na enkwani musa 41.7%. We hoping say yebetimi edinkunim 2028. I mean ya adwumaden ene enkabomu asem ene yebetimi di tumi na brain. Ya tiaba about 87 ccs na away ensem. 87 ccs out of 275. Bebia ya dru no. Ose ye adwumaden ye ken ho bom kwan so nkoso. Nti ni nyina se be adwumaden ono trabe ni wie ma no enkabumunti no
aduru saying because ya na nkrofo binum so anya hwe kra no senke bia baby a Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia nam no obehu ada candidates ni biso bi o mo ka no ho ne ade nti we be nkrofo gidi se enkabumu no ese nyensi pisa ana
meka say yakwe ni mu pa ono ne omo a omune ni gina ye ne de so obeka ya yeto abane wi no na yedigma kakra eno achi na oba English abrochiri asa na okay na mene no enam ne yedigma kakra ewo ho na oba ye enso no oni nipa ni nyina ye yenua Dr. Yawaduchu Asia ono Kwabena Agyapong Asia
okay
oni Kennedy Kweku Agyapong Asia oni Agyapong Asia he's gone to their homes trying eno makudi ngita ho ama enema Kyei na mejidi se NPP no ni awokase bia we na mahana NPP ubehunu sa ensem no esusaye
okay
na no yemu bi nso ni ekoso kakra nso no igusu ayeye me ba kumase ha na no memendei enkabo mu ni mania menti eni bia menti mo has kakra bia ewo constituencies ni bi inti na ma me bae memenda no ame beduye no me ye ho ejuma me constituencies no ibi omo MPs ne omo chairman edinkita ho se na be yan kabomu beba
okay
enra me bisa ene metwaso ansa na makonkran ekira nwumra na se maybe Wednesday and papa enti saigma no hana yedi me kwa brochiri nipa no bi many UK in particular no many NPP chapters I want to be London in West London for Shai many young executive for Shai young executive no omu youth wing me no mu Shai many Milton Keynes for Shai many Birmingham for Shai many Telford and Penny for Shai many Manchester for Penny for Shai enti ni nyina baby a ani gisem wo mu ni say obehwe na ebi abekoro na obi ho wo English abrochire ho oni nia to say emrepemu no pese ebi a constituency bi obepre emreso a obepre ye party ni hye no kreni ho kwanse bi obepre bi however na me ne wo mo kase mesra wo mo baby yedu no yedu nkwanta nan eso ebi drone baby agina no hotro nti say 2028 no in the lead up to it ekoya pre-pia wagwa ne ko ha party no mini Dr. Bawumia na mu yesirimo ekoye constituencies a ewa lusu nyina no eye baby a in the lead up to 2024 elections no MPs no mo ho no oh e be ko contest wo mo constituencies ni bi o ho ampa na Fourth Republic since 1992 na yen winning seats ni bi da 2020 for the first time and e be winning seats ni bi NDC for seats I timi je 2020 sana e bi see for the first time e winning seats no afei obiti hwa o constituency ho amani timu da say wa contest and na yetima ko je fi NDC for ho no afei de constituency ni ho ya ko no ntini e wa contest same baby and your MPs ni nyina omo submit omo to primaries yene mo awe pre ba ho se MP no se ni tie mo mo to ano se won ko ye parliamentary candidate yakoto aba no olusu ye se MP ni lusu primaries ni to another contestant yakoto aba no seat na fienza nye honko obekọ bono ahafo Western region, Central region, yeah, with 13 seats. ene aka 4 seats what you say hona ye minority leader free but sad yes you don't me fan ko minority leader no so on into the man ne basa ho ya presem ene mentimu hwase ena amana sa ne mani nyina boyen nti
na jamana mu lusu si
yani ha ne lusu ye surrender season bebre edema ndc mentimu hwase nti sa ne man was ye ne siesie na akomato yim tse na meka no o ma na wo abrochire ame no muhia no nyina enipa nsia bia na o mpeso mo ba me no mo tombo se kasa ya me binum akire kura ba fie e ma yedi nkomo no ene gi sema e wo mu ne se em se de me kan ato makoma so se me wo fa pani kwa me piani mo ho ono ka na se mo se obi enu wa ko police wa aspire so be IGP nti obi ha ko politics mo wa ambition on ambition but ambition for 2028 the mesre say obi ha enkana kuma ento from na senye se bia MP no ho no senia se na woka obi asemi o se na nana makotwa ya kocha se odwaye o se de egu bi so biti so se ye twena so ye mane ma kromo enye bibi sa dia enti bia odi nipa no ko biewa obahe ento aba ne ma no so ati ase se ye bibi sa dia so bia ya die bia asem no kanka enye sa dia kamesre se bushafo ye nuanom enkuma yo fa asefo mu gyengyina no bi pese wo ko biewa ka yentanechi
okay
but of course ye party constitution you know when me for being ko shall be constituency ni kon ze den ya ye say no mo ko trance ye say no mo ko trance na ye build a consensus ye kire mo ni memu so ye nyina ye montoa nyina sa ni bakro no echi se de be ya asumje be ba constituencies no na ekro ye be ba constituencies no ye timi yakọ ekwa ede anim
okay baby awugina ya Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia ewo candidates bia waso wo mon sase safo ne de wo se party no eto abamo because e dey ayetete say we Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia etai we yachi na no executives binumu a ese wo mo se yi wo mo free mu ne ade ado ti se binumu ka se bia oko support candidate fufu bia one support Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia nti eni yi no ede na a free contest no wantwi ya o kan ho ase michiri se mudodo na ano ya na hyase free sa say sometimes we be so ye ne ye because of say we a president candidate na na mpanyimfo bi support we ene e ma na kwanyanti ene ya mama anko ne ye sa de party no kura mi ne akiri ene ya kwako win seat no bibi sa ya koso party no
ene am da se Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia onyi mu enka say we di mechi we ni mechi nti we ni mechi nti ene say mane ba contest mu on kaza baby ya na
no need special candidate
enipa yi no se me ba obi sa me say omo no mu gina he no omo ho asem tese a ye di enkomokura so okomo fie mbu na no committee a yetiti se omo ne gina ye ni nyina no omo nyina no wo committees no mu omo different committees a omo do ma dwenkyere e be boa ento abo a ye be bo no what you say obi a wo na ni so di hu na wo de call contest no mu nti ate committee wo ahode ha ne wo ti sa committee ye de wato ano ya te committee wo ahode wa ha ye de wato ano so nti sa no wa ye no ti sa nipa nan ni nyina no obi a obabi a ye de no ato the sa nipa wo mo ne call contest no empo wa ye omo sa omo di omo no mo call contest na china beka say omo so hu obi ani enti sa enti na make say ye ba me ba yi eno ka hu bi na me wa shandre agency say ibiti aboa na yesi sa nem
jiso watete sa
in fact
maybe
a china na me ya aduma a chem ho baby semi biesi ama obi kra fa ho ahwere no nkwa okwayi chim down side or Kyei. And no crantino, no boys and Camavia and Camembra Nanka, member join a near co, because he could do her, and so could do her. So Yambre, na the abbot to fear minting was into Wasano, what none of Tum Crana, a year 2 year my massum Biba constituency. He wants us to unite. A corner de animuno. Say, Yankee Homoa, ye be in a bequo. Inti, Mestre say, ye could two way, as send your king. You'll be also about babies, as a binum say, we must support me and you movie party in me. People shouldn't worry so much. I didn't hear. Nina about them. They were. So, system one, Unya Quatuaba. And before. Near a buyer to your constitution. So the beer maker say your constitution, you win Yakakra. Now, I think we want to go further downstream. Now, a fee party for one more party for a register or more card bearer members. The next stage is to allow every card bearer member about to do Uncle Benny. And they say Nipa 800 be no constituency, Nipa 500 no constituency be. I don't mean constituency in penny for executive, police station executives, constituency executives, coordinators. And then no teaching anyway from every card bearer member. Now is going to be given the opportunity to vote. The so yes, I could you be free more. Then about a fair ground about the time ever. So you may feel media near on our MP and maybe Bediatuo. And no M be. Okay. Me the be a mechanism say NPP before. Ye MPs are more Bediatuo. More than half Ato Omako first time Amokuni. The Bakono or Nim Dia Kakra or Swahun Kakra or baby free banner. That's what Akoto Parliament and I diamana. Oh, I say a bomb in a chidom and ma omuye do. Because on a typical day, so debates a cost of parliament. And this is from those who be. But we do have those who know if you are. Almost watch a chow, Rashe Bediatuo be a chair and Grovona Macona. Tim Rashe Bediatuo, the debate in him and a woman, a chair and Crawford. What I say? In Tibo who say, on a typical day, no, send this in or yet debate. That's my work. Say, what wouldn't him who ye rooms are quite small can yellow crack. But the force or the becano will be our teacher only make us say, a quay or Casapao. So as some name is Abia, Yan Crawford, or Munim, they may not even be able to challenge the person as well can yellow crack. What I say, the affair of Musiano. I don't know so if you were Avraco. Oh, her party, no, Yenipacon now, Hanu. Who had the development of the party in parliament. The message was for Yamfa to him, Yamfa Jempa, party ninti, Yan Kaya Humumo, constituency level, no, the intimate party in fortunes.
All right, and now we say Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia because for the arrest of party supporters. The Brun regional chairman of the party, Chairman Tumini, Afufu Binuma, party supporters. Meaning, Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia, who says a culture of silence, Nessa Banana.
Well, Minia, my main chassis and Casse Nansain Temuno, Casa Casa Koso, especially social media. Enko ye kra eni na de nipa bianya ekwa okonya eyi ukosoka ne esi ni so a ne fie kra na okasagu microphone na microphone wodi o matem asama waka no ono akra so nte ase o na wonya kwan no wodi obi atem ni party move okra wodi o matem me amete kra se microphone titi bia marame we are bridge say who say baby okoso kania sini so che Mensa bonsu we kohwini sabe ono ane ba wa wo no ko ntimi nkasa asem nkire no ni kuno de ne che ntimi nkasa asem nkire abaya tu ye nipa o support no ntimi nkasa asem nkire no so okofa kania sini so ni wodi che Mensa bonsu asem me yana those things no Professor Buzia ne kai was say Ghana obeso a successful politician and also in Africa also nya ye fun kase na wagye nsem nyina egum papa ne bone mbene for kan se mbi so se bi ese se odware na se bodam ni be fa wontuma e de kwa some for the jankodi enko pam no yes people may not know the difference between you and ya oye anybody you know say because I'm mo yepe. So they talk about those things. Me, it is not my fashion and my style. So be I could do what I'm not there now so reply. You don't do that. What you say? Inte suko ko company say bi wo bi enu mu je ja tu fita. What you say? Inte wo pese o chese se bi wo di atete wo fi nti no. Obi ko di what mu no. Na again party no say betimi aka bo mu nti. Ebi ho hu anu wayi weni. What you say? But na make ka ku sini say atem di no e ya doso. Kasa e ho ntie no e ya doso. Nti me giri say I was say a pekwan bisu yedi see. I don't want to talk about abronya asem nko bi a won't me die nko because nanu your honor and this in area baby. What is it be my Pentecost penny eboa
yeah
a baby mi yonko madam fu we NDC chairman 2008 mpo President Akufo Addo wa na ye ko pe omo ebe replace no ani pe don so tisi mu say omo obi ase person succeed President Akufo NPP mu no ese ni keja kan se bi was say Akufo don so omo ko yi Akufo penny ya NDC for the fire obey kasa na no ya pa o kese NDC for NPP for no omo na ko training nyina from Akufo Addo and Kyeremanteng those days Dr. Ato Forson obi ya Akufo and what does it say? What you say? President, na no ampo kan bi ye betra be. Say Akufo Addo say ono de on fa man sika for anything. Akufo Addo yes on fa. Na Akufo Addo akasa because Akufo Addo nim say ni nuanom no bobodin say gabby otchere darko nom ene Asante Bediatuo ne bomtinum on be wie sika no e de amana na ho dance ne say president asma o kan na no ya pa o but me eno no me nyina eno so nko ho enyi aten president Mahama is a fine gentleman, he's my friend your parliament no e madamfo what I say me hunu ne din komo kakra space kakra bi nya no e din komo kakra but ne kasa na o kasa me no amwa the apronye and so and some of can be no creamy if you have no shepa and take the be as a country or mine the be a bit more yard or bit a bridge quite me to money or 2 fire wasn't it be a buno send the panabagana and my banway and mano a treatment anyway diplomat. Na omoshe send pa konechi ana ni hedru no e mesre ne se benefo se achia ne muye ese abubu nyina ade me megire se the president should lead the way na matters relating to the practice of democracy in Ghana emwa no ye betimi aye conference bi on it mpa na ke sigina sabusuafo efi na ekro yes, the more the ningo. If in there crow as a nation we are resolving say ye criminal libel embrano ye free hodie nanso say ukodi di obi atema na nsema nipa kono nimu ko kagu no so dia enya se papa ye o mampani ba ko pe sabio udi na temwa gu ne ho fi international circle so he's the father of the nation and ye bibia
but yes emra if it's publishing of force inform any enough say bit him the stop pesadi
I'm just saying say and I'm say ya trashie Bibre Muntino.
Ubi abubu
emra. And me fan say president ye bibi say declare amnesty but the fish na ekode. If such a thing comes and yes,
it should come from the president.
Me just say he's the supreme person in the country. So I just say, and if president ho, let's say be a vice president and put a leader. And maybe the attorney general. And maybe the attorney general in place of the Sahani pay the president, the vice president, the attorney general. So, said no. I was a former Omano, a beacon, a trashy. So I know, sir. Let's say, a buy window, Huntino, NPP for Nako Cantian Cocho Muntumwa. Say, Zanewano, a wrong dear is wrong. What you say? And emperor. It is a day coaching who a buy was in the NPP from Guana and Yomo, near Cochi or more. Sabanisa, we use a full from the Oban's bedding. What I would say, and this for. Let it be no. I say, we are yummy. Miss Mukupianica. We are yummy. Miss Mukupianica. Esa, and Fashion J. Emma or Minum.
Would you say, this current government, you Sam Rano at the Aka NPP for Casabuasho?
Akufo Addo as a president. I didn't send Franca Anfana. I didn't send Nkofo Anfana. So, and so, did you ever hear say Yakochi and they near Kosono? Minia, and yet maybe 1 or 2 be Akufo Addo's time. But they say, I say, I have free fall. I mean, it's a moi. And that's why I'm saying, say, I'm appealing to the presidency.
Say, any arrest no never solve it.
Yes, because we say, send go for Ekagu and Kofoso. Now, nipa bi aso ya wo ye de ya woncherebo aban no ye de ya ncherebo wo be free so do free so succeed in aban no ono so me yon crop for den de bia na identity mu bo man no what you say and no ya me buy kra me te say jama regional minister po akopost bibi e fa Dr. Bawumia ho on the Facebook, yes, so Pampers being in Manema. Yes, I mean, yes. What is that? Regional minister. And then quite a be a dinechi. That's what I'm saying. Say, Sanemano, I want Senka President Bitimia on finance form was answer no, maybe a econo. It's not healthy. And more, man. What you say? Because a Kobase dia. Sani obi anso betimi akazo damn the consequences. Say my me obi. Wo de acheme, wo chimi achina de acheme me ba onko from me chiwo nyina. Na ekobasa
you stopping.
We should. And that make us say me I expect the president to lead the way. So say the on the 2 minute run. What you say me me say or stamp on authority. Na you move from now. Okay.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.